Guys, I'm Samantha. We're going to be doing chapters 3 and 4 of Excel. So chapter 3 is formulas and functions for crunching numbers. The first one is the basics of entering a formula. So say we had 5 here and 6 here. So we're going to go to cell C and we're going to enter equals A5. Whoa. We'll do it like this. 5 plus 6. And then you would hit enter. And it's going to give you the number. Or you can do it this way. Equal sign A1 plus B1 and then enter. And it's going to give you 11. So that's kind of the basic formula. It's pretty simple. It is up here in your formula bar. So if you ever need to see the formula, you can go here or you can go to your formulas and then there's a tab where you can see your formulas. So the next one is speedy techniques for entering formulas. So this is pretty simple. So you would go here to the bottom and you would hit equals and then sum. And then you would double click on sum and then you would highlight what you wanted the sum of. And then you would hit enter. Ooh, found an error. So same with this one, you would hit equals sum. And then you would double click on sum and you would go from 1 there and then hit enter and then it would give you the total. So that's pretty simple. It's not too hard, but you can also do like different ones like equals average and then click on average. You want to double click and then you would just highlight the ones you want to average and then hit enter and that's the average of it. So it's pretty simple and there's a lot of functions. Like you can do let's do equal sum and then you can see all the ones that pop up. So there's multiple different things you can do, but that's the easiest way of doing it. You can also do like well, those are the most simple ways. So what's the next one? Detecting and correcting errors in formulas. So if you ever see this value or divine, these are things that need to be corrected. So you would click on the message that I had right here, and then it gives you options. Divide by 0 error, help on this if you need help, ignore error, edit formula. So let's do the help on error. And it should bring up like ways to help you, which obviously this didn't, but so that's how you fix your errors, or if you get errors, that's the way of fixing it. Working with functions, that's just like I showed you, the equal sign and then sum, and then you click and highlight. Ooh, give us an error. So equal sum, double click, there we go, and then you highlight the ones that you want to get the sum of, and then you click it, and you can do that for average. There's multiple different functions like I showed you. That's kind of what working with functions is. It just making it easier doing the sum. Pretty simple. Chapter 4, it's making a worksheet easier to read and understand. So the first one is laying out your worksheet. So this is where you're going to go to the home, and then you're going to go to, like, say you wanted this. Oops, we don't want to do all of it, just the top. Say you wanted to do this with a slant, you would just angle it, or you can angle it clockwise. There's multiple different ways, or you can format it to your own way, which I'm going to put it back in the middle. So that's pretty easy. And hide. Okay. And then that brings it back to more normal. And then there's format cell. You can change the row height. Say we want 30. You hit OK. It's going to change it. And then you can also do this. We can highlight it. And then you can go format cell. And you can do the column width. And you can change that as well. So we'll do 30 and then hit OK, and it changes it. But we're going to go back to format cell and we're going to change it back because I like it the other way. 15. So it just that's what laying out the worksheet is. The next one is decorating a worksheet with borders and colors. So you would go to the home button and you're going to go to cell styles. So let's highlight this though. Oops. Maybe. Bear with me. I'm still learning as well. Cell styles. And you can change your cell style. Actually, we're going to do the top like this. So cell styles. And then we could do like some purple. That's my favorite color, so I'll do that. You can also do like your table. You can change your table different colors. So let's go here. We can do like a light purple. And you can also format your table. That's pretty cool. Cancel. Ooh, no, not now. So you can format it with colors. I mean, it just depends on what you want to do. But that's kind of the basics of decorating a worksheet with borders and colors. It's pretty simple. The next one is getting ready to print your page. So you'd go to print layout. There's multiple different options. If you want to see how it's going to look, you're going to go to, so you can do the margins. You can change how that looks. You can do orientation, landscape mode. So this is kind of what, maybe if it changes now. Page break. Print area. So there's multiple different things that you can do to get ready for print. And you can go to review. Let's see. Print layout. So this is how it's going to look when you do a print layout. But if it does look like this, you're going to go back to the layout page and you're going to do a page break, insert page break. And you're going to be able to like adjust it. Let's see. You don't want to, so it's multiple different pages. So a way to change it is you can do like legal. You can change your margins on it. See right there, it made it so much smaller. Narrow margin, so it makes it smaller. And then you would just go to, if you're happy with what you got, you're just going to go to File and Print, and that's it. So it's pretty simple, guys. I think that's basically it for that. I mean, there is multiple different options. It just really depends on what you want. And you can remove the page break from there. You can change your printing size. You can do is change your orientation, which we did that. We did landscape mode. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching.